It was just gonna be a quick little project I'm gonna work on. Just because I thought it was a really neat piece. You know, it's a little birdhouse I found in the way back of the shed when I cleaned it out. It's got a hinging top, one of these little latches on the side. I just thought it was really neat, and, you know, just I'm gonna sand it down and do a little bit of, well, some sort of like a outdoor wood. What is it, like a urethane paint or something? And throw that outside in the tree or something. Okay, it's all sanded down. Well, sanded down the best I can get. Relatively smooth. Pretty nice. And now, I'm gonna paint it. Well, not paint it, I think that's like a stain or something. Or a sealer. Whatever. Well, 5 coats of that urethane stuff. Should last a little while. I don't know, I'd say it looks kind of pretty. My mom should be happy, so... Yep. Not half bad for a piece of crap birdhouse when I first found it. Full of insulation on the inside, and it looked like it was just falling apart, so I like it. It looks pretty cool.